Are collagen supplements bad for your kidneys? A lot of people have asked me about this. So what's the science actually say? So collagen supplements can be a source of oxalates, which can predispose people to kidney stones, and elevated levels of collagen biomarkers like procollagen have also been seen in those who have chronic kidney disease. Collagen is a protein made up mostly of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. When your body degrades protein, it breaks it down into its constituent amino acids. Now, yes, it is true that when your body breaks down protein, it does increase nitrogenous waste products that need to be filtered by the kidneys. So if you have chronic kidney disease, too much protein can definitely be a problem. But what about healthy kidneys? To date, there's no strong evidence that collagen protein is detrimental to the kidneys. Now, could a massive amount of collagen, like say 100 grams taken at one time, be harmful to the kidneys? Maybe, but there's no proof either way. Now, what could be risky is choosing a cheap collagen supplement that could be high in heavy metals. Those heavy metals, in turn, could be damaging to the kidneys, but that's not a collagen problem, that's a quality control problem. So if you're healthy, I don't see a problem with collagen supplements, but if you have kidney problems, absolutely talk to your doctor first.